So in this video, we take a look at how we can use the particle emitter to emit objects instead of particles. And we also look at the particle dynamics in Cinema 4D. Okay, so let's start by creating the particle emitter. I go to simulate inside the menu bar and go to particles and then the particle emitter. So by default, you see it emits particles. Okay, but we don't want to emit particles, we want to emit objects. Okay, so let's create an object. Let's create a sphere. It's too big. Let's make it maybe 5. Okay, 5 centimeters is okay. And let's make it a child of the emitter. Okay, so now the emitter can emit the sphere, but it still will emit this particle. So with the emitter selected inside the attributes manager, inside, under the particle tab, you have to come down here and click on show objects. Okay, if you don't click on this show objects, the particle will still be emitting those particles, but if you click show object, it will be emitting the object that is a child of that emitter. And we can add other objects to it so that it randomly emit them. It's the size is so let's make it 5. Okay, so now you see it's emitting the cube and the sphere all together. Okay, so that's how you can actually emit objects with a particle emitter. And we have to talk about particle dynamics. It's the same thing with the normal dynamics. Okay, so let's say we add this two, we add rigid body by go to the simulation tag and add rigid body. You see it's emitting the objects, but because these objects are now affected by dynamics, it's just falling. Okay, so that is how to add dynamics to particles that you are emitting. Let's increase the particle count to maybe 30, because there's a little bit, so we can emit more. Okay, so the same way we have it, you can create a plane. Let's bring it down like this. Let's increase the size, and then when we add a collider body to this, so simulation collider bodies to it, the emitter, or the particles that are being emitted will collide with this plane. Okay, so you now get it how you can use the emitter to emit objects. And then we have the particle dynamics, which is the same as the normal dynamics we have, and you can use this to create so many beautiful animations and motion graphics in Cinema 4D. So thank you, and this is all about the particle system in Cinema 4D and particle dynamics. See you in the next video.